So here I am back with another video of how to use gradients and the vintage style, as I have created some more videos you can see on my channel and you can follow. So here I have took two images of Tupac from Google, and here is the first image and here's the second one. You can find these images if you want to practice with me, or you can download another or any of your own images to use this. So let's take this page through. So I have created this folder. You can see this is the first pic which we are then this second, and you can see the group here. If we double click here, we go inside the blending options, and you can see the current layer and this current layer blend if option. I have selected this to, you can keep this around 60 to 66, and this other slider to 104 105. So what this will do is blend the black background with the image, so you will not have any black in your image. You can see right now. So this is just the image. I haven't used any gradient yet. And if we turn this on, you can see the whole image just turns to a single color image. Then we can even use his jewelries and color it to something golden. You can see it here. And let's break it down how I created this one. So I have just edited a little bit of this image and just remove the all the squares and sides and with a soft brush, and then brought this image here. Then use this gradient, which is easy. You can make your make one by yourself. So this is just a plain black color, you can see, and here is the color code if you want to go with me, both the colors. And this is just white, and you can just do this to black, fully black also. So this is nothing much, and we have just used this, and you can drag the sliders to adjust the fine tune your images furthermore. So you can see the original image and you can see this, and even if you can add further more sliders to it. So let's do this. Let's make it more. If you want, you can even this is a bit more, I guess. Let's bring it down, and you can see it looks really good. And without any other coloration, you have just used three colors from here, and this is well looking very good, I guess. And then we have just for the jewelry, you can just take a selection tool, any you want, and just select the jewelry like this. This is a bit lengthy process if you see. Selecting every jewelry you can see here. So you can do this like this, and making a cutout all the way down here. And then just after selecting all the jewelries, you just have to press Ctrl and J to copy it and take it to the top. And what you will keep in mind is this: you have to clip this gradient layer to the image below. So Alt and click to clip it, and then you have created this jewelry image new, and let's do this for him. And you can see two images we selected, the two selection we plotted, and you can more fine work on them, fine tune them, with just brushing all over it and removing the extra bits. So this is how the gradients work, or you can use them like this. And this is the image which is 100% without any black. And if you want to just go with this, just do the Control Alt Shift E to merge all the layers, and you have got this image with background. Or you can go with here and select shadows, then invert the selection, and you got the image. You can see, and I have used the same gradient which I used with on the below images, and just cut out the gap from the original image and used a gradient on top of it. You can see this looks really cool, and you can always mask out some areas if you don't want it with a soft round brush. As you can see it here, or you can mask it out here. And so this is really easy. If you have any doubts, you can ask me on the comments, and I will explain it in furthermore upcoming videos. Try, practice, and let me know if you stuck anywhere. I will be really glad to help you all out. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.